Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a viral image create by Microsoft Bing image generator. Okay, you have to customize your or generate your text prompt like this. Here a template text prompt. You can customize this text prompt as your expectation or as your desired model. So you can simply customize your text from here. You can simply text the name, you can change it as your name. Here you can change it as your desired name. So you can add extra text like love me, and you can add extra which you want. So if you already generated your customized text prompt, you can simply copy the text and you have to go Microsoft Bing image creator and simply paste here. Okay, I simply paste here and create, click here. Okay, I already create, that's why I know this process, and you can simply follow this step. I hope you will learn, and definitely you created such kind of image easily. Okay, please wait until finished it and see what amazing, and you amazed. When finished image processing, you can simply click here and you can simply share, save, download or customize. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content.